This video will show you the safest way to climb upstairs with confidence. If you're caring for someone, we'll also show you how you can help them with this technique. Set your feet shoulder width apart and hold on to the handrail for support. Step up with your stronger or dominant leg first. Bring the other leg up to the same step and make sure that each foot is securely on the step before moving on to the next one, stepping up with your stronger leg. Always use the handrail for support. Your hand should end up directly beside you on the handrail after each step. Take your time, always stepping up with your stronger leg. Now let's look at how you can assist someone with this technique. Guide their hand onto the handrail. Remind them to step up with their stronger leg each time. Stay one step behind the person and be ready to assist them if they need it. If they're not feeling confident, you can move up beside them and place a hand on their shoulder to offer guidance and support. If you're placing a hand on their shoulder, make sure you stay beside them rather than behind them, climbing each step together. Remember, if you're assisting someone, you're there to offer guidance and security. Try to let the person do as much as they can by themselves to support their independence.